Milwaukee, let's just demonstrate your tape measure. Seems good. It's got a magnet at the end. It's wide, heavy duty. Hook it over the end. Looks good. Looks fairly decently. You try to lift it up. Now, if I try to suspend it in air, look at that. Flops over. Try to be real careful. Heavy tip. And it just flops over. And I have tried this every way to Sunday, and it's not a good tape measure. Milwaukee, go back to the designers, find a contractor, a guy who does this every day. Find out what features work. This does not. Have a good day.